Hi, I am Dr. Shilpa. Shirodhara. In today's fast paced lifestyle, stress, anxiety, insomnia, mental fatigue has become very common. Ayurveda offers a very powerful and natural way of therapy to calm the mind and balance nervous system, that is Shirodhara. Shirodhara is a classical external therapy widely used for mental, emotional and neurological disorders. Meaning of Shirodhara. What is the meaning of Shirodhara? Shiro means head and Dhara means continuous flow. Shirodhara means the continuous flow of any medicated liquid, specifically to the Ajna Marma or Sthapani Marma, which is a vital part, lies in between the eyebrows. This area is close connected with hypothalamus, pituitary gland and nervous system, which explains deep calming effect of this therapy. Ayurvedic concept and mode of action of Shiro. According to Ayurveda, Shirodhara mainly pacifies Vata dosha and Pitta doshas. The gentle rhythmic flow of warm oil or liquid calms aggravated Vata, responsible for anxiety, fear and restlessness. Pacifies Pitta, which causes anger, irritability and mental burnout. Shirodhara helps to regulate Manas, that means our mind, Pranavayu and Sadhaka Pitta. Results in deeply relaxed meditative state similar to yogic meditation. Types of Shirodhara. Shirodhara is classified based on liquid used. Tailadhara with medicated oils, best for anxiety, insomnia and neurological issues. Takradhara using medicated buttermilk, effective in psoriasis, eczema, stress and pitta dosha. Kshiradhara using medicated milk, useful in migraine, burning sensation, hair fall. Procedure of Shirodhara. Patient lies comfortably in a supine position on the therapy table. Eyes are covered with cotton pads. Lukewarm medicated liquid is poured in continuous stream from a dhara vessel. The flow is maintained over forehead for 30 to 40 minutes. Benefits of Shirodhara: stress, anxiety, depression, migraine and headaches, insomnia, hypertension, hair fall and premature graying, memory and concentration issues. Shirodhara improves sleep quality, mental clarity, emotional stability, and overall well being. Shirodhara is not just a therapy, it is a medicated healing experience. So it always harmonizes our body and consciousness. See you with the next video. Thank you.